All the cool kids at the moment are making little banana pancakes. I like to call them banana pikelets because they're so tiny. These are fantastic for the kids. So I start with half a cup of self-raising flour. Self-raising flour already has the leavening agent. It's the perfect flour for pancakes, hotcakes and pikelets, just like these ones. I'm also going to add some bicarbonate soda, always a pinch of salt, and just give that a mix. Make a well in the centre and I'll add 1 egg. Start whisking that egg, and once it slowly comes together, we can add some more liquid. I love the texture of my pikelets when they have a bit of buttermilk in the batter, about half a cup or so, and then just whisk that together until you have quite a thick batter, just like this. See how thick that is? That's what we're after. Now I've been preheating a crepe pan or just any pan that's non-stick, and I'll add quite a lot of veggie oil. And this is where it gets interesting. I'm going to grab pieces of banana. I'll place it into the batter, coat it with 2 forks, and then that is going to be our mini pikelets. We're going to place that in the hot oil and just let it fry on each side until it's completely set. We're going to get lovely, warm, gooey banana in the centre, and it's going to be completely blanketed in that pikelet batter. Yum. How good do these little pikelets look? Nice and fluffy. They've held their shape. I just love these. We'll place them onto a little plate, pile them up, and I think these are best served with some maple syrup drizzled over the top, and just because, a little dusting icing sugar. There you go. Banana pikelets. The kids are going to absolutely love this. Big kids love them too.